name is Emilis Hirad and this is MGM Modeling. Today I have this makeup tutorial for you. This is a really easy to do makeup when you have a casting call or you want to look really natural. You don't want to wear a lot of makeup. So if you want to know how I do it, just keep watching this video.
Alright, so I use this hydrating tonic from Moiskin, my La Rouge cream, and my sunscreen from Neutrogena. Also, I use the Professional primer for my face prep. Then I use the Laura Mercier highlighter. I'm leaving the product's information at the box below. I also add some highlighter on my chest because I think it looks so pretty. Then I go ahead and use my BB cream from Maybelline. And after it's dry, I add another layer. I add some concealer, and this time I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, only under my eyes. And here comes the trick. You need to blend this very well. A good trick is to have your beauty blender humid. It will blend so much better. I add a little bit of banana powder under my eyes and places where I get oily. Then I do a really soft contour with powder. And you wanna look alive, so you gotta add some blush. Since we are using powder, I love to set all of this with primer, and then while it's still wet, I add my highlighter. This time I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. For brows, I'm using the Benefit conditioner, the Elizabeth Arden brow shadow, just to define a little bit my eyebrow underneath. And then I'm using my Give Me Brow the Benefit to brush and give some color to my brows. Then I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm using this brown color. And I'm just gonna add this color underneath my eyes. Then I'm gonna add a darker brown to give some more definition to my eyes. All of this must be really soft and really well blended because you don't want to look like you have makeup. You only want to add some definition to your eyes, so you gotta blend. And then for lashes, I'm just gonna use this Benefit mascara. For lips, I'm gonna use this pen that is kind of the same color of my lips. I'm not gonna define too much my lips, but to give it some color, and then I'm gonna add some gloss.
So that was it for today. As you can see, it was a really easy to do makeup. The idea is to have a really natural skin, really juicy, so you don't look with too much makeup but your haze your natural beauty. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, NGM Modeling, and also to my channel, Siendo Gem. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can subscribe to my channel. I always post this kind of content, so you can see more of this on my channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media, MGM Modeling and Siendo Gem. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Bye bye, see you next time.